name is Romeo Costa. I'm in your 6th period, and today I'm going to do the animal cell project. Cells are the basic structure of all living organisms. Cells provide structure for the body, take in nutrients from food, and carry out important functions. These organelles carry out tasks such as making proteins, processing chemicals, and generating energy for the cell. Animal cells are the basic unit of life in organisms of the kingdom Animalia. They are eukaryotic cells, meaning that they have a true nucleus and specialized structures called organelles that carry out different functions. This is the animal cell booklet. This is a model of an animal cell, and it explains where all the organelles are. And over here on this part, it explains what each of them does. This is the cytoplasm, and what it is the liquid that fills the inside of a cell. It is composed of water, salts, and various organic molecules. This part right here is the vacuole, and it is a membrane-bound cell organelle. They are typically small and transport materials in and out of the cell. They also help sequester waste products. This part right here is the cell membrane. It provides protection for a cell. It also provides a fixed environment inside the cell, and the membrane has several different functions. One is to transport nutrients into the cell and also to transport toxic substances out of the cell. This is the mitochondrion. It is a membrane-bound organelle found in the cells of most eukaryotic organisms. This is the mitochondrion. It's a membrane-bound cell organelle that generates most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions. Chemical energy produced by the mitochondria is stored in a small molecule called ATP. This part is the ribosome. It is situated in the cytosol, some bound free-floating to the membrane of the coarse endoplasmic reticulum, or aka ER. This is the lysosome. They are spherical vessels that contain hydrolytic enzymes that can break down many kinds of biomolecules. This right here is the Golgi body. It is a cell organelle that helps process and package proteins and lipid molecules, especially proteins destined to be exported from the cell. Named after its discoverer, Camillo Golgi, the Golgi body appears as a series of stacked membranes. This yellow part right here is called a centriole, and they are paired barrel-shaped organelles located in the cytoplasm of animal cells near the nuclear envelope. Centrioles play a role in organizing microtubes that serve as cell's skeletal system. They help determine locations of the nucleus and other organelles with the cell. This part of the outside right here, the yellow part, is called the nucleus. The cell nucleus is a large organelle in eukaryotic organisms which protect the majority of the DNA within each cell. This part in the middle is called nucleolus, and the nucleolus is an organelle in the nucleus that plays a key role in the transcription and processing of ribosomal RNA. Now, the smooth ER is called endoplasmic reticulum, but we call it ER for short. This organelle is morphologically distinct, often made of tubular structures called cisternae. This is the rough ER, involved in the response of the cell to unfolded proteins and plays a role in the induction of apoptosis due to its close interaction with mitochondria. So this is the final product, and it was really nice doing this project because I used Play-Doh and it's something that I haven't used in a long time. And all of these little organelles serve a function in the animal cell. And yeah, it was very nice to do this. Thank you, Mr. Ervin.